Day 3, you get a little tired still. All right, mandatory gap. Yeah, bud.
I heard the news today that you're not mine.
All right, day 3 of riding. We're parking in this parking lot right here. All American Trails right here. Airbnb is literally 3 minutes that direction from Slaughter Pin Trails. We got some people hitting some jumps on All American. Parking here because we checked out of the Airbnb. We're gonna ride a half day and then we're gonna come back and then drive closer to Colorado, get some disc golf in, stay one more night on the road, chop that drive in half instead of doing about a 12-hour day. Now, if you're not supposed to, don't spoil it for everyone else, but in these parking lots, we're not seeing any no overnight parking, and so that's to your discretion. Personally, we'd rather have an Airbnb with a big, nice showers, kitchen, big old TV to relax and enjoy a little bit of fruits of our labor, but I'm just saying, there is the options of parking lots around here. First one on today's docket, Leopards Loop. Work our way just a hair of an uphill from that parking lot. Got a skinny. Oh yeah, might have to do it the other way too. Whoa! Nice and wide. That skinny seems like it goes forever. Oh, sick. Yeah, buddy. All right, little Leopards Loop hub right here, just a little hubber. Got some rollies over here. Got some new builds right here. Great. We'll do another video on that financial Airbnb investment opportunity. We ran some numbers. We'll talk about it on another video. I think I got it. So this is now cement. Definitely get some speed. Oh, nice. Here we go. Yep. Oh, little pumps, mandatory gap. Whew. I think I even got it. That was pretty cool. Mandatory gap. Oh man, decent speed for that one. Come in. Still got a pedal, which is not something I'm used to in Colorado with these jumps. Oh, that's fun though. Oh, so then it dumps you down here. And two options. You can take the dirt for the skinny or just go up to the corner on the sidewalk. Make sure you're out of full suspending climbing. Oh, that's fun though. Day 3, you get a little tired still. All right, mandatory gap. Yeah, bud. Woo. Yes, sir. This one you got to really pedal into. This one's fun. This one you can hit, go this way, a little break, and then whew, a little lippy there, and you're done. All right, so literally, here's the junior high. And those trees way off past the field here, that's our Airbnb neighborhood. Great spot after Leopards Loop. You could session that in the morning while your folks are getting ready. You know, if someone's lagging behind, needs an extra cup of coffee, you're like, all right, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Session that twice. High school over here to our left. Nice little neutral spot here. All right, now we're gonna hit Tristan, which literally starts right behind the junior high. High school behind us, where there's a really nice track if you're into running. Okay, we're gonna punch off here. All right, I'll follow you. And this is the way we used to take Tristan's trail. And there's literally hits like 45 seconds out your front door of the Airbnb. Nice. That's where we used to go left right there, but we're gonna go full Tristan's this time. Nice. All right, we went up Red Barn, you end right here, and then you get to this like power area, and now we're gonna go explore a little bit over here. It's just a random cement asphalt pump track with a gap. Oh goodness. Well, I guess you could. Oh wow, yeah. Obviously meant to go the other direction. Yeah, look at those, like kids coming back from school just ripping it. Look at these random features. Look at that. Oh wow, and then you gotta, all right, just ended over here. Now we're on ozone, working our way. This line right here, there's a progression step up, I think down the way, down this way. Not too many YouTubers show this trail area, but we're gonna check it out. Ozone and hammers down. Get a little more speed and totally rollable, or you can jump it a little bit. Up to you. Oh, nice. Watch your speed right there on that corner. Okay, here we go. Got the progression. Step up. Nice. All right, get that speed. Oh, where's the step up? Was that the step up? Or no, not yet. Here we go. Whoa! Ah, back tire hit. Oh, there you go. How do you? That's a lot of speed coming into that. I thought it was right after the bridge. All right, a couple things. We've mentioned it, but this might be branched over a few different videos. Loving the canopy. It is now May 2nd. Still a little crisp in the air. It's like 69 degrees today for the high. Nighttime's very pleasant as well. Maybe light hoodie. And we like the canopy. We like the covering, so we're not in the sun, even though it is cooler. And we like those little features, even as you're going uphill, kind of breaks the uphill a little bit as well, making it nice and fun. All right, so if you're even, I mean, you got to be hauling to get up that step up. And now look at that. We got some forest friends. I'll tell you what, real nice. Now, Hammers Down is over by the treatment facility. And this morning we're getting ourselves a nice little whiff of some poop. So we parked right there. Went back up this direction for Leopards Loop back to the Airbnb. Tristan's and Hammers Down is right here. Sewage facility is right here. Hammers Down is literally right behind it, and you come down and meet up with this section right here. We're gonna push over to phase 2, eventually get over to Castle Hub, but we're gonna punch over, I think, on this side and check out something over here. Schroen Train, blue. We're gonna head down that way. You do have an option. We just climbed up it, going to the right there, the green. Nice little rocks and jumps and bumps. Slow. Okay, merging trail. Jump. Whoa. Careful. Burp, 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 burp. Yeah. This is Colorado right here, brothers. Little rowdy. Oh yeah, you can hit that really nice. Yeah, bud. And then since we're over here, we're gonna do Catapult. Catapult Castle Hub is probably the most grinding uphill over and over again. So do keep that in mind if you're gonna session that quite a few times. Even Kohler dropped the hammer. It was paved, but it was beautiful. This is nice, but a little bit more open. There's the drop into Catapult. Beautiful day, folks, beautiful day. So we did Medieval. Dragon Scales says Expert. It's just kind of rocky. We've watched some videos and we're gonna skip out. Medieval again is big lippy hits. We found Catapult to be super fun and flowy. Droppity drop. Woo. Yeah, bud. Yeah, these little long bermies just open it up. You can lip off the top. Oh yeah, just open. Full open pedal. Oh, I think I almost got it, I think. I'm coming up too fast behind you. Oh. Yeah, you gotta open those berms, no braking at all. All right, we're up here at the progression section after Catapult. Highly recommend Catapult. We're gonna take All American for a little jump line, kick off on the blue, call it a trip. Okay, full Cindy. Oh yeah! Cleared that bad, Johnny. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, not too fast. Ooh. Oh, did I not kick off? Did I not kick off? Oh. Oh, keep going, okay. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Day 3. All right, here we go, baby. Skinny. Not really skinny, but fun. Then mellows out. Another skinny. Skinny-ish. Nice. That felt good. That third one, definitely fun little progression section right here, right next to the greenway. Crispy. Back to the parking lot. Hopped off the trails. Keep that hair nice and crispy. Protected. Round 2, Los Discos, Parsons, Kansas. On our way home. Same course as we were the other day. Looking real good right here. Fought through though. Look at this hole. Lush green. All right, now here out here in Hays, Kansas. We're playing a couple holes here. Beautiful little course. Didn't think Hays had it in it, but basket sitting on ridges, water, a couple pin locations, 21 hole course layout. Hays, Kansas, looking real nice. Get on in there. I'll tell you what, a man will drive a nice distance. Go get himself his deep dish Domino's. Ooh, my friends, that's a good slice.
With my hands lifted high, oh God, the battle belongs to you. Who shakes the whole earth with holy thunder? You are here, moving in our midst.
We're gonna do our own ambly right here. I'll tell you what.
Pretty depressed.
Oh, the baby root beer.
You see the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention.
Because it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Might have to turn around and see what we got right here. Let's go take a little closer peek-a-rooney. All right, yeah, I might have to flip back around and go dig in those boxes just a little bit. Alrighty, sports fans, in one of the boxes, there was a lot of kid stuff, so I didn't really take all the kid stuff. But I did grab this guy right here. I'm gonna clean that one in the wash machine for Bria, for a little dog toy. And then, ladies and gentlemen, there's a little snow on top, but we're gonna go ahead and dust off that snow. Regardless, whole entire box of DVDs, a couple Blu-rays, Jason Statham. And the reason they get rid of DVDs is because obviously streaming services, but sometimes you just can't get the right one. Maze Runner right there. Anyway, I already checked the Jason Statham one. That's in there, Blu-ray. And then I got this really cool 3-tiered wood thing from IKEA. Natural wood is coming back in, this color natural wood. I really like it, and I'll probably use that somewhere on a back deck, put some potted plants, maybe in the meantime a shoe rack. I'm not exactly sure, but I liked it and I grabbed it. What I do with the DVDs is I pick out the ones that I have maybe on my list, and that saves me a rental fee, $3-4 on Amazon, $1.50 at Redbox, and then donate them. Alrighty, well, a box full of goodie DVDs. I was able to take some really good ones here. Let's go ahead and see what we got right here as Bree is checking it out. So we got Aviator, SWAT, there's 300, some Bruce Willis movies, and then a stack DVDs I'm going to give away for Christmas, Star Wars Blu-ray, and then I'm going to see if my dad wants to see any of these. I think Casino Royale was in here, Office Season 2. Let's see what else we got here. Die Hard, I mean, come on now, that's awesome. Bree and I are just about to start our walk, and let's see if you can spot them. Can you spot them? We got one right there. I think 2 behind that one. Third one I think is behind the tree. Yeah. Did you see it move right there? Yeah. What do you think, Bria? What do you think? Not every day you get a full moon and a sunset at the same time.